Hello everybody, this is Harvey from China. Today I'm gonna show you how to use an automatic computer wire stripping machine. First, plug in the power. Then turn it on. Install the straightener. Here you can replace the catheter according to the size of the wire diameter. If some of the wires are soft, you can also install rubber wells to straighten the wires. Then install the wiring board. The wiring board is used to put the strapped wire on it. There is a wire in the pipe of the machine, so press the right arrow button for a wire to return this wire. Then, pull the wire we want to process into the catheter. Let the wire pass through the straightener first, then through the guide tube, and then press the left arrow button bit by bit until the keyboard head is close to the position of the blade. Then, fix and compress the straightener and compress the wire tightly. Then click the right button to see the stripping effect. Then press the yellow emergency stop button to measure whether the stripping is accurate. Wire stripping machine control interface operation. Before stripping. Before stripping indicates the length of the strapped wire on the left side of the cable. Half stripping. Half stripping indicates how much of the strapped wire at the left end of the cable will be removed. Total length. Total length indicates the total length of the section of cable. Half stripping. Half stripping indicates how much of the stripped wire at the right end of the cable will be removed. After stripping. After stripping indicates the length of the stripped wire on the right side of the cable. Knife value. Knife value. The smaller the number, the deeper the blade will cut. Reset cutter. Reset cutter is the size of the opening of the knife.